Now we discuss how to convert PDA with empty stack to PDA with final state. We discussed already PDA with empty stack for different languages. Now we discuss how to convert that to PDA with final state. So here in the given problem, the given is PDA with empty stack. So this is machine 1. So machine 1 is a PDA with empty stack, and now we have to convert this into PDA which is accepted the given string by the final state. Now only the change when you consider PDA with empty stack to PDA with final state. Within the PDA with final state, we should consider two more states. In addition to the states present in PDA with empty stack, we have to consider two new states. One is initial state Q0, the next one is final state QF. Now these two states we have to consider in the PDA with final state. Now in addition to this, the second difference is we have to take new bottom of the stack, that is, let us say x0. Now x0 is new bottom of the stack. Now these are the only two things that we have to consider in the required PDA with final state. Now you consider this problem. This is given problem. Okay, now so this is acceptance by empty stack. Okay, why? Because after reading this ACBB, now the PDA stack becomes empty. So that's why it accepts ACBB. And so till now we discussed. Now if you consider the first move, what is there? Q comma A comma X equal to Q comma XYZ. Previously in the last classes, whatever we discussed, suppose in the present state Q, if the present input symbol is A and the top of the stack is X, suppose if you are adding, let us say, capital B, then in general we are writing here as Bx. What is that? Let us say Q comma Bx. But here the meaning, what is there? X and Q comma XYZ is there. So the meaning of that one is you have to replace, means within this stack. Now this is stack. So within this stack, initial top of this stack according to the given problem is X. And what is the present input symbol? A. What is the present state? Q. From present state Q, on reading A, if the top of the stack is X, then what is there? The move Q comma XYZ, means the next state is Q and we are replacing this X, means what is the top of the stack is there, this X, we have to replace this X with XYZ, so that this X should be top of the stack, X should be the top of the stack. So that's why now whenever this move happens, so what about the stack contents? Now here it is, now X is replaced with bottom one is Z, next to that is Y, and the next to that is X. Now X is on top. Okay. uh, Now next, so coming to the next one, so Q. Now what is the next state? Here we are getting Q. And if the present input symbol is C, present input symbol is C, and the top of the stack is X, yes, then what we are doing, present input symbol is C, then we are deleting X, and in next state is Q only. And again in the state Q, if the present input symbol is B and the top of the stack is Y, then we are deleting this Y from the stack. The next one, again it enters into state Q only. In Q state, on reading one more B, it enters into Q state and it is also deleted. That means after processing ACBB, after processing ACBB, the stack becomes empty. After processing ACBB, the stack becomes empty. So ACBB is acceptable. Now we consider here how to convert that to PDA with final state. Now you see here. So what is there? I told you already there are two differences. So one is we have to take two new states. One is Q naught, the other one is QF. And the second difference is we have to take new bottom of the stack, that is X naught. Now, so this is what the solution. Now M2 is the PDA which is accepting the given language by PDA with final state. Now if you take this, now what is there? Delta 2 of, means this is formation 2. So this is the first thing or first move that you have to add in any conversion of PDA with empty stack to PDA with final state. And what is that move we have to add in every solution? That is delta 2 of initial state. This is new state. This is not there in given Q naught comma. First we have to take the, don't take A as the first input symbol. Always we have to take in the conversion epsilon as the first symbol in the PDA with final state. Next, now this new bottom of the stack we have to take. So what is that? X naught, now which is equal to, again here you have to write state comma stack contents, right? Now what is the state you have to write? You have to write the state that is initial state. Actually in the given PDA with empty stack only one state is there. What is that? Q. So that's why we are writing directly this Q. But in general we have to write here the initial state of the given PDA with empty stack. Suppose in the PDA with empty stack if we have, for example, two states Q0 and Q1, and if Q0 is the initial state, and what we have to write here, we have to write here Q0, but only one state is there, that's why we are writing here Q. And what we have to insert into the stack, we have to insert initial bottom of the stack for the given PDA with empty stack. Now what is the initial PDA, initial bottom of the stack for the PDA with empty stack? So that is X. So whatever is there, that is initial uh, top of the stack for the given, that we have to add to the, or insert here. Okay, now X is the top of the stack. Now from this onwards, means from second move onwards, we have to write all moves whatever is there in the given PDA with empty stack as it is. Just see only delta 2 is difference. remaining all are same, isn't it? So that's why we can say here almost 90% of the solution for this heading is there in the given problem itself. Just only we are copying almost from the given problem into the solution. And after completing this one, so if you consider the stack configuration here, so you have deleted x, y and z, but one more is there. What is that? X naught, which is the new initial top of the stack for PDA with final state. So still you have to delete that X naught also, but you don't have any input symbol, so that's why here it is epsilon, because ACBB is processing is completed. Whenever ACBB completed only, then the deletion of XYZ is completed. So for that you have to take the input symbol, that is epsilon here, and after that what is the top of the stack now? X naught. Now so which is equal to, now here you have to write this state, that state is the final state whatever we considered. So we considered initially two states, no? QF is the final state, so that's why that QF state you have to write here, and epsilon means you have to delete the only X naught is there in this stack. So with this move we are also deleting that X naught, and it enters into a state which is QF, final state. So this is how you have to convert the given PDA with empty stack to PDA with final state. Only what is the difference here? Only you have to consider two new states, Q naught, the new initial state, and final state QF, and the next one is new initial top of the stack, that is X naught. And what is the change in the solution? Only the first move and the last move. Only the first move and the last move. And the remaining all these are, so we have copied only from the problem, isn't it? So there is no change. So here only we have to add two moves. One is delta 2 of Q naught comma, because of the initial state, that is the initial state Q naught comma epsilon, because before A we are taking here epsilon for processing, after B we are taking epsilon. Q naught comma epsilon comma initial top of the stack we are considering as the X naught, then we are adding this X, that is initial top of the stack for given, into this. At the end what we are doing, we are deleting whatever we have, we are using this X naught, that we are deleting by using the last move. We are entering into the QF, we are taking the input symbol for deleting X naught, that is the last symbol, what is that? Epsilon. So this is how we have to convert. Okay, thank you.